Caleb, what do you got, man? What's he just nibbling?
Yeah, it's a little bluegill. It's little bluegill. It's a bluegill.
Well, I see a whole bunch of minnows right there.
Where?
By where his bait is. He's got an orange bait. There's a whole bunch of minnows there.
I don't see minnows from where. Yeah,
they're going after his
two.
little orange bait.
Minnows. Yeah, those aren't minnows. Those are baby bluegills, I think. I think those are.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this will be a different spot for fishing today at the Iron Pond channel. And I'm just going to introduce...
Where are we fishing?
At the Williamson Town Park.
Okay.
Williamson Town Park.
And who's fishing with us today?
Connor, Carter, Dawson, Tammy, Ethan, Landon, Caleb, and Jackson.
Good job. What are we fishing with?
Live bait worms, live bait, and just
Live bait if you catch live bait, right?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Ready, guys? Okay. Head at it.
Go!
Ha!
So, guys, we had bad luck at the other fishing place that we were at. So we're going to start back at our pond with the people that we just introduced.
Except for Dawson and Cammy.
Except for Dawson and Cammy and Jackson.
Yeah.
They couldn't come.
Okay.
But we're going to continue fishing and hope for the best.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Carter, what'd you get? First cast. What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get? You did get a bass. Do you know how to take it off?
Yes.
Help him, Evan. He's got a bass. Hurry up. Get him back in the water.
Watch.
Hold my hook.
No, just get him by his
If he knows how to do it, Evan.
Slippery. Yes. Hold the thing.
I have him.
Real life struggles, people.
I'll do it.
Okay. Ready? Toss him in. Good job. And he took your worm.
Oh, crap.
So I'm trying to get a video of the pond. They obviously need some kind of grass carp or aeration or something. It looks to be smaller than mine. So, and so far they haven't caught anything, but they're using their fake bait. And that's pretty much it. So, but this is at the town park, so we'll see how they do today. But we were here for Connor's birthday party, so we figured we would bring the kids down here.
2 minutes.
Okay, what'd you get? You got a pumpkin?
Got pumpkin fish.
Okay, you gonna get them off? Do you know how to do it? Watch the spine. Are you gonna get them off? No?
I don't know how to get a pumpkins off.
Okay, hold him. No? Are you gonna hold him or you want me to hold him? Did you get the spine?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll get him. Hold that.
My hands are all wormy.
That's all right. Wouldn't be the first time. Ready? And he goes. What'd you get, dude? You got another pumpkin? Okay, you gonna take him off?
Throwing at this one.
Please tell me he didn't gut hook.
I didn't.
Okay.
That is if I can get.
You got a pumpkin? Oh, he's pretty.
That's a pretty pumpkin.
Look at him. Look at all the blue he's got on him.
Take it out. His mouth is so tiny.
Well, yeah, honey, he's not a largemouth bass.
Obviously. I think I'm hooking him more. I don't know where the hook is.
Okay, hold on. Mommy will try. Caleb, what do you got? What is it?
Bluegill.
Is that what you got?
That's a bluegill or greenie.
Take it off. Come on.
Wait.
Take it off. Oh, Jesus.
No.
Stop.
My little fishy.
Okay, hold on.
No, my little fishy. No, my little fishy. Oh,
Come back in.
Bye.
He popped off. Say see ya.
Bye.
Peace out. Evan, what do you got?
I got Butthead the frog.
That's Butthead?
Yeah,
Can I see
because
Butthead?
he's super annoying.
He was
Because he
super
kept
annoying.
on jumping out.
Yeah.
Now see? Hands.
Okay, don't kiss the frog, okay? He's not going to turn into a princess. Okay? All right, are you going to go put the frog back?
I got you.
Great. That's fabulous. Okay, so, guys. All right, whoever's got it. What happened? That's some pretty big bait. Evan!
Jackson, honey, come here.
He just put the bluegill back in, Evan. He's got bait. So Carter is trying with live bait.
Bro, come on, cast it out more, bro. Cast it out.
All right, Evan, what do you got? A pumpkin seed? All right. Okay. So are you going to take him off, or are you just going to torment the poor fish? That's not acceptable. You did?
No, I did.
Okay, get him off. Can you get her off, or do you need Mom to do it?
Big boy, fat man.
Was that a yes? You needed Mommy?